Today we are going to tell a story of the Adam family. Today is a sunny and beautiful day. The Adam family is very excited because they are going to the beach. Jacob, the father, they stand to a wonderful beach. On the are standing in the place, they all decide to do a sound activity to enjoy the day. The older brothers, Sebastian and Camila, are playing ping pong. Sebastian is wearing a white shirt and gray shirt. He is very happy playing and in his right hand he has a ping pong racket. While Camila is wearing a white and pink street blues, light blue shirt and her hair is tied up. In her left hand she has a ping pong ball and in her right hand she has a yellow racket. They are not using a ping pong table while playing. The two are very happy playing on the seashore. They are not carrying the bottle of the water for hydration.
The parents Jacob and Emma are playing on the sand with their younger daughters, Maria Jose and Gabriela. Jacob is very happy watching Gabriela building a castle. Jacob is wearing a gray shirt and white shorts. Gabriela is playing with the basket and Charles is wearing a yellow blouse, yellow shorts, and her hair is tied up. On the other hand, Emma you is concentrating on washing. Maria Jose while chest tries to boil a sandcastle. Emma is wearing a light orange shirt and with shorts. Maria Jose, how is concentrating on building the sandcastle, is wearing a white blouse with black dots, light blue shorts, and her hair tied with color hair clips. They are not wearing shoes, but they are having a very happy time with their children. Gabriela and Maria Jose are not playing with Camila and Sebastian because they are making sandcastle.
The Ant family enjoy a very nice afternoon on the beach, eating a delicious meal made by Emma, playing and watching the Susan together. Thank you for the listening to the story. Bye.